This powder costs $2 at any supermarket in America. It works on every single freshwater species in North America. And tackle shops have been pretending it does not exist for decades because they cannot profit from something that costs $2 in any grocery store in the country. That is not an accident, and it is not a coincidence. It is a deliberate, calculated, and profitable business model. The powder is MSG, which stands for monosodium glutamate. You find it in the Asian seasoning section of any supermarket. A 200-gram bag costs less than $2, and it will last through an entire fishing season without degrading. It is the same ingredient that has been in Asian kitchens for over a century, used to intensify the flavor of food. The reason it works on fish is the same reason it works on humans. Glutamate is an amino acid that occurs naturally in the body of every organism that has ever been alive in any ecosystem. When prey is injured or starts to decompose in the water, it releases glutamate directly into the surrounding water. Fish have been detecting that signal as a food indicator for tens of millions of years of continuous evolution. Glutamate receptors are distributed across the lateral line, concentrated in the mouth tissue, and in the barbels of catfish in quantities that make their detection range extraordinary. When MSG enters the water, it creates a cloud of dissolved glutamate that spreads slowly outward from the point of entry. Every fish that enters that cloud receives the same chemical signal it would receive from injured or decomposing prey in the water. The feeding response activates immediately without hesitation. No hesitation, no investigation, no decision process. It is the deepest hardwired trigger in the biology of these species, and the commercial attractant industry has known this for the entire time they have been selling you alternatives. Research published in the Journal of Chemical Ecology documented glutamate receptors in freshwater fish in the 1980s. Dr. Toshiaki Hara at the University of Manitoba alone spent over 30 years researching fish chemoreception and published documented responses to glutamate across multiple species. The fishing industry has had access to this research for decades. They chose to develop synthetic glutamate-based attractant sprays that sell for $25 per bottle at retail instead of pointing you at the $2 grocery store option that produces the same or better results in field conditions. Fishermen in Japan and China have used MSG in bait preparation since at least the middle of the 1950s. In Southeast Asian fishing communities, this knowledge passes from parent to child as basic practical information, not as any kind of trade secret or proprietary technique. It came to the United States with immigrant communities who fished for subsistence in the 1960s and 70s. It never entered the American mainstream because tackle shops cannot build a revenue model around a grocery store ingredient. The attractant market in the United States generates over $4 billion in annual revenue across all channels. The highest-selling products in that entire category are formulated with synthetic glutamate and artificial amino acids that attempt to replicate what MSG does naturally for $2. They do not fully replicate the natural compound at all. They apply the chemical in a synthetic stabilized form that breaks down faster in warm water than the real compound does and requires more frequent reapplication throughout the session. That reapplication schedule is not a flaw in the product design. That is not a flaw in the product design. It is the design. A product that lasts a full season without reapplication does not support the repeat purchase cycle that drives revenue, that the commercial attractant business depends on. MSG does not degrade with exposure to heat or direct light. MSG does not lose potency or break down over time in storage. MSG does not require you to rebuy after 10 trips. One $2 bag covers a full season at any application frequency. That economic fact is the reason tackle shops and attractant manufacturers have spent decades treating this ingredient as if it does not exist. Before I get into the three methods and the species breakdown, The kind of consistent result that comes from understanding attractants requires knowing more than just what to put on the hook. It requires knowing when fish are feeding, where they hold, and how conditions shift feeding windows throughout the day. I put together everything I know about those patterns into a complete system for anglers who want results every trip. Scan the QR code in the top left corner of your screen or click the first link waiting in the description below. Stay here because the 3 application methods work differently, and choosing the wrong one for the condition costs you fish. Use food-grade MSG only, not any industrial form of the compound. That means the version sold in the Asian seasoning aisle, not any industrial or agricultural form of the compound. Brands like Ajinomoto are the most widely available. A standard 200-gram bag costs under $2 and will carry you through a full season of fishing. There are 3 distinct application methods, and each one is suited to different fishing conditions and bait types. Method 1 is the coating method for soft plastic baits and dough baits. Lightly dampen the bait surface before application. Roll the bait in MSG powder until the surface is fully covered. Let it rest for 1 full minute before casting into the water. During that minute, the MSG begins dissolving into the moisture on the bait surface and creates a supersaturated coating. The moment the bait enters the water, that coating disperses instantly and creates an immediate glutamate cloud at the point of entry. Reapply every 3 to 4 casts as the coating dissolves. Method 2 is the natural bait method for worms and minnows. Sprinkle MSG lightly into the container holding the bait. A light dusting is exactly enough, and more is not better. The natural bait carries the glutamate coating as it moves in the water and releases it continuously throughout the entire retrieve. This creates a continuous trailing cloud directly behind the bait that fish track and follow directly back to the hook. Method 3 is the chumming method for drawing fish into the area. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of MSG in 1 liter of water. Pour the solution into the fishing area before making the first cast. Wait 10 full minutes before casting into the treated zone. The dissolved glutamate needs time to spread through the water column and establish the attraction zone evenly around the spot. This method produces the strongest results for catfish and carp, who can detect glutamate at extremely low concentrations and will travel significant distances toward the source. Largemouth respond immediately to the coating method because their glutamate receptors are concentrated in the lip tissue and register the compound the moment they make contact with the bait. Catfish barbels are covered densely with glutamate receptors, and they detect the compound from dozens of yards away in any direction. Crappie and bluegill respond well to light coating on small jigs. A half-cent jig coated in MSG outperforms any $25 attractant applied to the same jig in side-by-side field conditions. Walleye respond most consistently in moving water scenarios where the dissolved glutamate cloud carries downstream and triggers strikes from fish. Holding in structure below. For catfish in turbid water, double the MSG in the coating. Catfish detection range for glutamate exceeds every other freshwater species, and their response is proportional to the concentration they detect. For largemouth in cold water, combine MSG with a pinch of salt. The salt adds an osmotic signal that works alongside the glutamate and produces stronger response in water below 60 degrees. The economics of MSG versus commercial attractants break down simply. One $2 bag of MSG lasts a full season at any application frequency. A $25 bottle of commercial attractant lasts about 10 trips before the synthetic compound degrades and the product is essentially water. At 1 trip per week across a typical fishing season that is over $200 per year on commercial attractants versus $2 for the entire season spent on MSG. The results in field testing consistently favor the $2 option. The commercial products attempt to use the same glutamate mechanism, but apply it only in a stabilized and synthetic form that loses potency faster in warm water conditions and does not deliver the same concentration per application. The freshwater fish across North America do not know the price difference. They only know the glutamate concentration in the water. The $2 grocery store option delivers that concentration more effectively than any synthetic product currently on the market. That is not a matter of opinion or personal preference. That is the conclusion of the same body of published research that the commercial attractant industry has been aware of and choosing not to discuss publicly for several decades. They are aware of the research because they use it to justify the glutamate-based formulations in their own products. They just do not discuss the fact that the natural compound is available for $2 at the same grocery store where you purchase the food you eat every single day. The Forbidden Baits add-on inside the Angler's Vault has 10 legal homemade recipes, including MSG variations, extended across every freshwater species in North America. Scan the QR code in the top left corner of your screen or click the first link waiting in the description below. The complete system is waiting for you inside the Angler's Vault.